It's going on, my friend Tasche here, and I want to thank you very much for coming in to check out eLasso. Now, eLasso is a software that will bring lost traffic back to your website. Now, you can learn all about eLasso and how it works on the sales page here. But what I want to draw your attention to right now is right below this video, you're going to see a couple things. You're going to see a countdown timer, and you're going to see a button that says claim your bonus. Now, when you click that button, it's going to take you to my bonus page, where I have a huge bonus package for you that you're going to get access to when you take action and you grab your copy of eLasso through my link. The timer is going to tell you a couple things. It's going to tell you, number one, how long the launch of eLasso is going on for, and also how long the bonuses are good for. Now, eLasso is launching on May 7th, 2018 at 10 a.m. EST, and it's closing out May 11th that evening at midnight. So 11:59 p.m. around that time, it's going to close. Now, once the launch closes, the price of eLasso is going to go up. So to get the best price, you want to make sure you pick it up between May 7th, 10 a.m. EST, and May 11th at midnight. Also, once that timer hits 0, the bonuses that I'm offering will be pulled away and they'll be gone. So in order to secure your bonuses and get the best possible price for the software, make sure you grab your copy between May 7th at 10 a.m. EST and May 11th at midnight. Otherwise, you'll get no bonuses and the price is going to go up. So with that, I want to thank you very much for watching. I look forward to talking with you in the next video. See you soon.